The Hikari 2023 LED Combo Kit boasts a remarkable brightness of 20,000 lumens, providing 10 times more light than traditional halogen bulbs. This kit features a safe beam pattern with super-thin chip technology that ensures focused and precise light output, significantly enhancing visibility and reducing glare for oncoming drivers. With a lifespan of 50,000 hours, these LED bulbs are designed for long-lasting performance, reducing the need for frequent replacements. The Hikari 2023 LED Combo Kit is incredibly easy to install thanks to its plug-and-play setup that requires no modifications. These LED bulbs are compatible with H11 and 905 sockets, making them versatile for various lighting applications, including low beam, high beam, and fog lights. The built-in CAN bus technology in these bulbs helps solve common issues such as error codes, flickering, and blinding, ensuring a smooth and reliable performance.